In this video, we'll talk about Multimedia Science's Energy Changes game. With my students, I break down energy into 10 different types: kinetic, gravitational, heat, chemical, nuclear, electrical, spring, light, magnetic, and mechanical. The end project is for students to draw their own Rube Goldberg machine using all 10 types of energy. Students actually struggle with identifying these energies in examples from the real world, and they find it especially difficult to illustrate and understand energy changes from one form to another. And that's what the Energy Changes game is designed for, to let the students practice identifying these types of changes. So each question in the game will have an in energy and an out energy, sometimes more than that, and the students will have to decide or choose what the in and the out energies are. So here's the first example. It's a mousetrap, and students will start to see whether they can understand that the original energy is
congratulations
spring energy. And then, let's see, light energy, heat energy, obviously,
very good,
mechanical energy in the mechanism of the spring. Next is a match. Hopefully students will see that there's chemical energy in the tip of the match, and ultimately the match will turn into heat energy.
Well done.
Notice it says to ignore the friction needed to ignite the match. And you could also say that there's light energy, but matches are typically used for the heat. So in this case, since there's only one choice, I think heat is the best answer. Here we are at question 10. You can see that there's a roller coaster, and the inner energy is the coaster moving at the bottom, which would be kinetic.
Cool.
And the out energy is the coaster at the top, which would be gravitational energy. Here we have a runner. Let's see, I guess his original energy would be chemical in the food that he has eaten and is stored inside of his body.
Very good.
That would turn into the mechanical energy of his limbs moving. And then there are two outcomes for his final energy. One would be heat, and then of course the kinetic energy of him moving forward. Here's an interesting one. We have an electric pump moving the liquid upward. We're going to ignore the kinetic energy. So obviously it's electrical. The electrical will turn into the mechanical motion of the pump. And since we're ignoring kinetic energy, that means the liquid will be propelled upward. Here we are in question 17. We've got an electromagnet. You can see that when we turn it on and off, we get the electromagnetism to occur. We start off with the energy in the battery, which would be chemical. That energy is then turned into electrical energy. And the electrical energy is what finally gets us to magnetic energy. After 20 questions, students are given their final score out of a possible total of 245, and well, they can see how they are rated on the game. So if you're interested in the Energy Changes game or other multimedia science simulations, games, challenges, and teacher tools, please go to Teachers Pay Teachers at the shown URL. Thank you.